In the world of digital creativity, AI has become a game changer, especially in animation. From character generation to full-blown video productions, AI animation tools can now bring your ideas to life in ways that were once only possible with high-end software and skilled animators. And the best part? Some of these amazing tools are completely free to use. Here's a look at 10 AI-powered animation tools you won't believe are free. 1. MiniMax, text-to-video with incredible precision. MiniMax is one of the most exciting text-to-video models available right now. It's completely free, and while it's currently limited to text-based prompts, an image-to-video feature is coming soon. Whether it's a character summoning a fire creature or a cat walking down a runway with a wolf, MiniMax handles complex movements with impressive consistency. For instance, I generated a video. A stylish woman walks down a Tokyo street filled with warm, glowing neon and animated city signage. She wears a black leather jacket, a long red dress, and black boots, and carries a black purse. She wears sunglasses and red lipstick. She walks confidently and casually. The street is damp and reflective, creating a mirror effect of the colorful lights. Many pedestrians walk about. 2. Runway. Runway's AI-powered tools are transforming the creative landscape by providing an intuitive platform packed with advanced video editing capabilities, making it ideal for visual content creators who seek high-quality results without the technical hurdles. Key features like real-time video editing, automatic rotoscoping, and background removal empower users to produce polished content swiftly, enabling seamless subject isolation and clean cutouts with minimal effort. Additionally, style transfer and customizable color grading options give users the freedom to experiment with different aesthetics, providing a professional finish that enhances their creative storytelling. Notably, Runway's tools cater specifically to animators aiming to streamline their workflows with precision. The platform's user-friendly interface and powerful AI functionalities help creators efficiently apply effects, transformations, and cinematic color enhancements, transforming complex tasks into straightforward processes. Offering these tools for free, Runway ensures that artists, from beginners to professionals, can access high-quality features to bring their creative visions to life effortlessly. 3. Deep Motion. Deep Motion transforms 2D video footage into fully animated, lifelike 3D models, redefining character animation. With advanced AI technology, Deep Motion captures subtle human movements, making it ideal for artists, game developers, and creators who want realistic, engaging animations without complex setups. One of Deep Motion's strongest features is its precise motion capture, designed to capture everything from small gestures to full-body dynamics with impressive accuracy. By simply uploading video footage, users can convert real-world movements into animations, achieving a level of detail usually reserved for high-end software, but with far greater accessibility. All it takes to get started with Deep Motion is a webcam, making it easy for both beginners and professionals. Its intuitive design and ease of use make Deep Motion a powerful tool for anyone looking to enhance their characters with a layer of authenticity and visual appeal. 4. Lip syncing, bringing characters to life. Lip syncing can add an extra layer of realism to your animations. Tools like Hedra allow you to upload an image and sync expressive lip movements to your audio. I once synced a potato podcast, and it looked great. Live Portrait, another powerful tool, maps facial movements onto video, making it a perfect choice for projects requiring more complex animations. This is amazing to watch this tool. This makes beautiful animation for us. The colorful animation attracts the audience to watch it again and again. I appreciated free services provided by them for creators and YouTubers. I am one of those who frequently use this tool. 5. Animaker. Animaker is an AI-powered animation platform designed to make animated video creation simple and accessible. With its intuitive drag-and-drop interface, users can effortlessly build engaging videos without any prior animation experience. It offers a range of pre-built templates that cater to various video types, including explainer videos, educational content, and presentations, making it easy to dive right into creation. One of Animaker's standout features is its character customization options, which allow users to personalize characters for their videos. This includes adjusting facial expressions, outfits, and movements, making it easy to convey specific messages and emotions effectively. Paired with a variety of animation effects and transitions, this customization enables creators to craft unique, high-quality videos that capture their audience's attention. To further enhance content, Animaker includes advanced text-to-speech capabilities, enabling users to add lifelike voiceovers to their videos. This feature is especially useful for those who want to bring narration or dialogue to their animations without needing to record their own audio. With these user-friendly tools available on the free tier, Animaker empowers anyone to produce professional-looking videos right from the start. 6. Synfig Studio. Synfig Studio is a versatile, open-source 2D animation software designed for creators who want to produce high-quality animations at no cost. Known for its advanced capabilities, Synfig enables users to create professional-grade animations without expensive software licenses. Its interface is accessible and equipped with a range of powerful features, including AI-driven automated in-betweening, or tweening, which smoothly generates frames between key poses. This feature streamlines the animation process, allowing artists to focus on crafting key scenes while the AI assists in achieving fluid, realistic movement, reducing the manual workload for frame-by-frame animation. One of Synfig Studio's standout tools is its sophisticated bone rigging system, which is particularly useful for animating characters. The bone system allows animators to rig and animate complex character movements by setting up a skeletal structure, making it easier to create lifelike gestures and poses. Synfig also supports vector-based animations, which allows users to scale artwork without losing quality, ideal for those who want crisp and detailed visuals at any resolution. Overall, Synfig Studio combines traditional animation methods with modern AI assistance, offering a feature-rich platform for animators looking for a powerful, cost-effective solution to bring their stories to life. 7. Viggle. Viral animations made easy. Viggle is a dynamic platform that has gained popularity for its ability to create engaging, viral content with ease. Featuring a vast library of templates, Viggle offers users numerous options to personalize and customize their creations. From humorous memes to animations that bring characters to life, Viggle provides a range of tools suited to nearly every type of online content, whether for personal enjoyment, social media sharing, or brand promotion. One of Viggle's most enjoyable features is its face-swapping functionality, which allows users to upload their own image to replace a character's face in various templates. This opens up a world of fun possibilities, enabling users to see themselves as an alien, superhero, or even a dancing cat. The interface is intuitive and designed for quick customization, making it easy for beginners and experienced users alike to create high-quality animations with minimal effort. With its high speed and smooth performance, Viggle ensures that users can create and share their customized content in just a few minutes. Its quick rendering times and user-friendly design make it ideal for creating quick, entertaining content on the go. For those looking to add a personal touch or bring a bit of humor to their social media feeds, Viggle's templates and face-swapping tools make content creation both fun and effortless, helping users make memorable and shareable moments. 8. Canva, an animation tool for best animation. Canva, widely known as a graphic design tool, also offers powerful animation features that make it an excellent choice for creating engaging animated content. With its easy-to-use drag-and-drop interface, Canva allows users to add movement to their designs without needing advanced animation skills. Whether you're designing for social media, presentations, or personal projects, Canva's animation capabilities can bring static visuals to life with minimal effort. The tool's simplicity appeals to beginners and experienced users alike, making it accessible for anyone looking to add a dynamic touch to their work. One of Canva's standout animation features is its library of preset motion effects. Users can apply animations to text, images, and graphics, choosing from options like pan, fade, bounce, and drift. These effects add life to slides and social media posts, enhancing content without overwhelming the viewer. Canva also offers customizable animation speeds and loop options, enabling creators to control how their designs move. By combining various elements with different animation effects, users can create layered and visually engaging scenes tailored to their message. In addition to its preset animations, Canva supports animated GIF and MP4 exports, making it easy to share content across multiple platforms. Canva's animation tools integrate seamlessly with its extensive library of stock images, videos, and illustrations, providing all-in-one access to resources that simplify the design process. This flexibility allows users to go beyond simple designs, creating content that stands out on social media, enhances presentations, and brings added creativity to personal or professional projects. 9. Adobe Express. Animate characters in a snap. Adobe Express is a powerful tool for creating animated content, particularly well-suited for bringing cartoon characters to life. Its simple, user-friendly interface allows users to create animations quickly, even without extensive experience. With a range of vibrant templates and assets, Adobe Express is ideal for generating eye-catching explainer videos, quirky animations, or unique visual storytelling for social media. The platform's intuitive setup makes it accessible to beginners and professionals alike, providing tools to produce polished animations effortlessly. One of the standout features of Adobe Express is its extensive library of customizable templates and characters, designed to simplify the animation process. Users can choose from a variety of themes and styles, from playful robots to fantasy creatures, and adapt them to fit their specific projects. This flexibility means that users can blend animated characters with dynamic backgrounds, like outer space scenes or cityscapes, to create rich, engaging visuals. The wide variety of characters and settings available allow for endless creative possibilities, making Adobe Express an adaptable choice for a variety of animation styles. Adobe Express also supports quick exports, allowing users to share their animations on different platforms without hassle. Whether it's a brief social media post or a more detailed explainer video, the tool delivers quality animations that look professional with minimal time and effort. For those looking to create attention-grabbing content on the go, Adobe Express's straightforward features, combined with its impressive array of templates, make it a reliable and enjoyable choice for animated storytelling. 10. OpenToonz. OpenToonz is a powerful, open-source animation software that stands out for its professional-grade capabilities and widespread use by top studios, including the acclaimed Studio Ghibli. Tailored for creators who want to achieve cinematic-quality animations, OpenToonz brings high-end tools to artists, hobbyists, and professionals alike. This platform is free to use, making it an accessible yet highly advanced choice for animators looking to craft polished, complex animations without investing in pricey software. Among OpenToonz's many standout features are its AI-based effects and frame-by-frame animation capabilities. These tools allow users to achieve intricate details and creative effects, like lighting adjustments or seamless transitions, that elevate their work. The frame-by-frame functionality also offers full control over each moment in the animation, making it ideal for users seeking precision and customization. Additionally, the software includes motion tracking, enabling animators to seamlessly integrate characters or objects with realistic movements, adding a dynamic and lifelike feel to each project. Highly customizable and loaded with advanced options, OpenToonz is especially well-suited for those who want to tailor their tools and workflow. Its open-source nature means users can adjust settings, modify features, and even add plugins to personalize their animation experience. Whether producing animations for personal projects or professional studios, OpenToonz provides the versatility and depth to bring ambitious ideas to life, all while maintaining accessibility as a free platform. Final thoughts. Whether you're a budding animator, digital artist, or content creator, these tools can help you create stunning animations without needing a huge budget or a professional background. Explore these free AI animation tools and see which one fits your creative vision best. Let AI unlock your storytelling potential today. Embrace the future of animation with these AI tools and watch your ideas come to life.